Incremental routines. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the pleasurable expansion. Now it's time to learn the safe repetitions. The sound again doesn't make justice, but let's tackle this. So let's say that today, let me see the outstanding. So you know that we have the learning stage of outstanding material, and we have the sorting. Usually have the auto sort according to sorting criteria. We have seen that. Something we can do is to modify this at will. So let's filter just the outstanding. And let's say that instead of the sorting criteria, which will be this one according to what I have, it will be this, more or less one topic, one item with some dispersion. Nice. So let's say that I don't want that. So that is the outstanding queue, the order I will be getting. So you know what? I want the outstanding to be by interval, let's say, something easy. For the longest. Oh my god, 12,000 already? Okay, so those are the longest in my collection. Now I realize that I have material that I did. So, it's the browser menu, tools, save repetitions. Schedule repetition of elements list in the browser for today. But hey, this is rescheduling. Do you want to reschedule elements from period? In my case, May 27, 2020 to today. What is that? It's because I have the outstanding date. You can see the title. You can see the title. I have outstanding queue with elements from not just today, yesterday, 2 days ago, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, and even 2 years ago. So some elements have been outstanding for more than 2 years already. What's going to happen is that all of the outstanding elements that have been outstanding, but not today, but in the past, they will be rescheduled to today. Let's do that. Do you see now the next repetition? It's November 3rd. It's the day when I'm recording. That's not exactly what I wanted. And look now at the interval. The interval was like 12,000 or something very big. Now it's 200. That's massive. Usually you'll have thought, based on the description, that you save the order. It was outstanding already. The only thing I'm doing is modifying the order. So instead of the sorting criteria, would be the interval in this case. Not only that, now it was sorted by interval, not anymore. Look, 255 seems to be the ceiling. I messed up really big. Really, really big. Now if I open again, do you see the title? This has changed. No longer says the range from this date to today. It just says today. So first, save repetition, save the order, yes, but reschedules. So if it's your case that you finish outstanding every single day, good for you. You're not using incremental running. For you won't have any effect because you will modify what is already today. So you only modify the order. But if you have more than 1 day, that it will be guaranteed you will have a lot of different days. You're doing something else that you may think you're doing. So remember, you can modify the sorting. For instance, I can do by priority. I can achieve this with sorting criteria. So we'll do by repetitions, let's say. Look at that. And now once again, tools, save repetitions. And now it's 1 day on 1 day because it has already been rescheduled. So if I now do it once again today, the reschedule doesn't have any effect because everything is set to today, but now everything is outstanding. and with this order. So now if I go and I follow my outstanding queue, forgetting is normal, male dominant cultures, key binding, Shift Control U. You see, let me go again, view last browser. Doesn't seem like it. So remember, on the learn and sorting, disable auto sort has been turned off. Let's do it again. Outstanding by repetitions. Well, it's already there by repetitions. I could start a subset because at the end of the day, if I start a subset from my outstanding queue, I'm doing my outstanding queue. There will be no difference. So now, by next element, and look at the amount of repetitions. 13. 13. 12. So now I'm getting the outstanding queue ordered by repetition count. So it's a good feature. Save repetitions. It's a good feature if for whatever reason you want to, today, I'm not on the mood for this. I don't want the sorting criteria. I want something else. Boom. And you don't want anything random. You want something specific. Here you go. Since perhaps I want just items, I want to take out the topics. And I may want to do, I don't know, by stability. It's been a long while. I was on vacation. I haven't used Supermemo in 1 month. I will sort outstanding queue by retriability. So what is the most likely I will remember anyways, even if it's late. So I start with the easiest stuff, the easier stuff to recall, not the easier stuff by difficulty. And then, oh yeah, I want this. It will be the easier, right? A brush, saving brush, shoe, Yahoo is, oh yeah, it is so easy. Tools and save. But has the potential to be a rescheduling feature. What you don't want to be a reschedule feature. You just want this as a sorting feature. But it's both. It's both. Keep that in mind. See you in the next video.